Okay, what we have here is a model of our observatory for the telescope in Blender, because I talked about how we used Blender before to model the telescope. It's a square roll-off roof observatory. There's a little model of the piece of the roof. There's walls, some walls, all right, and the telescope. And the nice thing about the telescope, using this Blender tool, is that we have this pose ability. We can rotate the telescope around, and then we can have a look at what it's looking at and where the walls are and how much view height we're going to have, how much cutoff there's going to be. So north, south, east, west, vertical view. We can do all that, and then we can kind of look through and make sure we're doing okay. So it looks like it's going to be a pretty handy tool. And it looks like when we look at the horizon, we may have some cutoff, but you don't usually look at the horizon, so that might be okay. Rotate that back, let me get that horizontal, and then I'll pick up this bone here, rotate that guy in X only. See how I did. So it's pointed at the zenith, and go back and try this, see how we're doing over here. Yeah, and then we also have the regular solid render too, just to keep things honest. Remember, these bone things, these aren't real. This big doohickey, that big bone thing, that's not real. That's just a tool to help manipulate shapes.